Hello everyone, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video we have one very interesting question from algebra. X cube plus square root 289 over square root 5 equal to 18. We have to find out real values of x. So let's get started. I will cross multiply. So we will write x cube plus square root 289. This is equal to 17 equal to 18 square root 5. Or I can write x cube will be equal to 18 square root 5 minus 17. Now 18 square root 5 is greater than 17. So I can write x cube is greater than 0. So we can write x must be positive for real x. Now we can assume another function y cube which is conjugate of x cube. So I will write here 18 square root 5 plus 17. Now we will subtract second equation from first one. So 18 square root 5 will be cancelled out. We will write our equation x cube minus y cube will be equal to minus 34. This equation we will call equation 1. Now I will multiply these two. So I can write x cube times y cube. This will be equal to 18 root 5 minus 17 times 18 root 5 plus 17. So a minus b times a plus b. We can use difference of two squares formula. So 18 root 5 whole square minus 17 square. So 324 times 5, 1620 minus 289. This difference will be equal to 1331, which is 11 cube. So I can write our equation x cube y cube. We can write xy whole cube. This will be equal to 11 whole cube. Or we can write xy whole cube minus 11 whole cube equal to 0. Now we can apply a cube minus b cube formula. We will get xy minus 11 in one bracket times x square y square plus 11xy plus 121 equal to 0. Now from product 0 rule, we can write either xy minus 11 equal to 0 or x square y square plus 11xy plus 121 equal to 0. Now for this quadratic equation, if I will check the value of discriminant only, then we can write here as per formula b square minus 4ac. So b square, we will write here 11 square minus 4 times 1 times 121. This will come out 121 minus 484. Difference will be minus 363. Discriminant is negative. We will get complex solutions. So this quadratic equation in xy we will reject. Now from the first equation xy minus 11 equal to 0, we will get xy equal to 11, which is our accepted xy value. Let's say this is our equation number 2. Now I will be writing equation 1 first. X cube minus y cube equal to minus 34 and xy equal to 11. Now let us assume x minus y equal to m. Now we will use x minus y whole cube formula. This will be equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy x minus y. So in place of x minus y, we will use m. So I will write our equation m cube equal to minus 34. This is our equation 1. Minus 3 times xy, our equation number 2, 11, times x minus y, m. So I can write our cubic equation m cube equal to minus 34 minus 33m, or I can write m cube plus 33m plus 34 equal to 0. Now one solution is clearly visible. If I will plug in m equal to minus 1, then I will be getting minus 1 minus 33 plus 34, which is equal to 0. That means m equal to minus 1 is our base solution for this cubic equation. Now we can easily use synthetic division method. Let me write all the coefficients of cubic equation: 1, 0, 33, 34. 1, 0, 33, 34. Base solution is m equal to minus 1. Now we will consider our leading coefficient as it is 1. Minus 1 times 1, minus 1. Addition of both numbers will give us minus 1. Minus 1 times minus 1, plus 1. If we will add these two, we will write here 34. Minus 1 times 34, minus 34. Addition will give us 0. So these are coefficients for quadratic equation. So I can write our equation m square minus m plus 34 equal to 0. Again I will check for discriminant value. So if I will write here d, this is as per formula b square minus 4ac. So b is negative 1 here. So negative 1 square minus 4 times 1 times 34. So we will write here 1 minus 4 times 34. This is 136. Value will come out negative. Discriminant is negative. Again we are getting complex solutions. So this quadratic will be rejected. So the only real value of m would be negative 1. Let me write here m equal to negative 1. And m was our substitution x minus y. So I can write x minus y equal to negative 1. And then we will write our equation 2, xy equal to 11. From this equation, I can write the value of y equal to x plus 1, which we will apply here. So I will get x times x plus 1 equal to 11. Or we can write x square plus x equal to 11. X square plus x minus 11 equal to 0. Now this is quadratic equation. We will apply quadratic formula. So I will write here the value of x will be equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. So this will be equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 square is 1 minus 4 times 1 times minus 11. And denominator will be 2 times 1. So I can write the value of x minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 44 over 2. Minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 44 over 2. This is our x. Or we can write minus 1 plus minus square root of 45 over 2. So we are having two values. If I will write minus 1 plus square root 45 over 2, and second would be minus 1 minus square root 45 over 2. Now condition on x was x must be positive. So I will write x equal to, because of this solution is negative, we will reject this one and we are going to accept this. So we will write our final answer square root 45 minus 1 over 2, or we can write 3 square root 5 minus 1 over 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.